Okay, students, you might remember another verb that means to be called ESTAR. Well, ESTAR and SER are both irregular verbs. This means they do not follow a regular pattern of conjugation. And even though they mean the same, they are used for different reasons. Whereas ESTAR is used to express emotions, temporary conditions, and to tell location, SER is used to tell identity, to describe, tell origin, nationality, time, and the date. You will see examples for each of these expressions throughout this video. And to learn more about ESTAR to tell location, click on the video link in the description below. Now, let's move on with the verb SER. This is the full conjugation chart of SER in the present tense. Let's read together. Yo soy, tú eres, usted es, él es, ella es. Nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ustedes son, ellos son, ellas son. Again, these are all irregular conjugations. However, you will see some repetition, such as with s and so. Now, let's apply the conjugations of SER to the uses of SER. But first, let's review the uses. To tell identity, to describe, tell origin, nationality, time, and the date. As we look at several examples in the following slides, look for the conjugations highlighted in yellow. To tell identity. Ella es enfermera. She is a nurse. Él es mi papá. He is my dad. To describe. La flor es rosa. The flower is pink. La chica es estudiosa. The girl is studious. To tell origin. Yo soy de California. I am from California. Somos de España. Now notice in this sentence I did not include the subject pronoun nosotros. This is because often subject pronouns will be omitted, even though the English loses no translation. We are from Spain. To tell nationality. Alice es francesa. Alice is French. Luis y Sara son norteamericanos. Luis and Sarah are North American. To tell time. Son las 7 menos cuarto. It is a quarter till 7. Son las 10. It is 10 o'clock. And to tell the date. Es el 14 de febrero. It is February 14th. Hoy es el 15 de abril. Today is April 15th. And this concludes our lesson on el verbo ser. Gracias.